It is Thursday, March the 26th. We have two parts for your workouts today. Part A, we're starting off with something similar to an EMOM structure, but we'll be going every 45 seconds. So every 45 seconds for 9 minutes total, you will alternate movements between a strict handstand push-up and a pull-up or a body row. On the odd rounds, you will perform 5 strict handstand push-ups. On the even rounds, you will perform somewhere between 5 and 8 pull-ups or body rows. For the handstand push-up, let's talk about some modifications. If you're comfortable going against the wall, full depth, we're looking for a challenging set for you. If not, you can find that stack of books or a stack of towels, something soft to put on your head to modify your head target against the wall. You can come off the wall and try to perform the pike push-ups, or similar to what we do in the gym, a knees or toes on a box or couch to do your modified handstand push-ups that way. For the pull-ups, if you have a pull-up bar, you're welcome to try strict pull-ups or even jumping pull-ups if you need to modify it that way. Otherwise, similar to what we talked about the other day, you can get 2 boxes or tables, something of the same height, perhaps chairs, grab out your broom handle and perform your body rows. For part B today, we have 8 rounds for max repetitions. We'll have a 1-minute clock. In 1 minute, you will perform 10 broad jumps, 10 push presses, and finish the remaining time doing as many repetitions of a push-up to plank pull-through. You'll be resting 1 minute in between each round. For the push press, if you have a pair of dumbbells, that would be preferred. You could also use 2 kettlebells if you have them, 1 kettlebell, or any one single weighted object to perform your 10 push presses. For the push-up to plank pull-through, you can find that same object you're using for the push presses, or something else to drag underneath your body. A kettlebell, a dumbbell, a weighted backpack, a child, all of those things might work. We hope you enjoy these workouts today. Let us know how you did.